In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft Excel, whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, to access the full range of features across your devices. Starting with the desktop app, you should begin by opening Excel on your computer. With Excel launched, head towards the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open up a menu with several options, where you'll need to select Account, or in some versions, it might be labeled Office Account. This is the place where you can manage all of your Microsoft Office subscriptions and settings. Once you're here, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This could either be your personal Microsoft account or a work or school account, depending on how your office is set up. Make sure to enter your email address and password accurately. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might need your phone handy to complete this step. Once you've signed in, Excel will be activated and seamlessly linked to your account. This means you'll have access to all your documents and personalized settings whenever you use Excel on this particular computer. Now let's move on to using Excel on the web. Accessing Excel through a browser is incredibly convenient for on-the-go editing and collaboration. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Office website. In the top right corner of the page, you will see a Sign In option. Click on that to start the login process. Just like with the desktop app, you'll need to enter your Microsoft, work, or school account credentials to gain access. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Think of this as your gateway to all the Microsoft Office apps online. From here, look for the familiar green Excel icon. Click on this to open Excel inside your web browser. This version integrates with OneDrive, making it easy to save and share your spreadsheets online without the need for constant downloads or email exchanges. One of the great advantages of using Excel for the web is the robust set of features that mirror the desktop experience, but with the added benefit of collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same spreadsheet at the same time, and changes are saved automatically, keeping everyone in sync. And there you have it. Whether using the desktop app or the web version, signing in provides a cohesive experience with all the tools and features at your fingertips, tailored to your account. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.